Much more on that shortly, but first we begin, as always, focused on the fort. Drivers on the southwest side are fed up. They're trying to navigate around roadblocks caused by railroad repairs. Fort Wayne's NBC reporter Jeff Newmeyer is live to explain what's been going on. Jeff?
Yeah, Tom, road closed signs, of course, are a source of frustration for people trying to get past 3 different stretches of road that are currently blocked off on the south side. Throughout the day, you'll see cars and trucks approach these areas. They kind of realize they can't get through, and they'll slowly circle around and go back in the same direction that they came from. One of the impacted areas involves east-west traffic on Taylor Street, but it's not the only headache. Covington Road and Nutman Avenue, just to the south of Taylor, they also are currently blocked off, so crews hired by Norfolk Southern Railway can come in, strip out damaged concrete, pull up worn-out rails, put new ones in, then install new asphalt or concrete. The 3 closed crossings we're talking about will reopen in a day or two. But 3 other crossings in the same part of town will close for a short time starting Sunday or Monday. Some drivers are struggling with the interruptions.
They've been closed off for a week, and every time they close them off and open them up, they're just the same almost as they were before.
So a lot of frustrations, huh?
Yes, it is a lot of frustration because it's inconvenient.
It's very hard to go, and now all is blocking, and I need to go again. I got 3 times running now, it's very bad. I need to go and come back again, so I don't know what road I can find now.
This next batch of railroad crossing repairs will take place on Brooklyn Avenue, another crossing on Nutman Avenue, and one on busy Engle Road. Those repairs should be done by the middle of next week, and that should take care of all the rail crossing upgrades inside the city limits. City police telling us that they're taking a lot of complaints about rail crossing work. Last night, one driver went around barricades and was struck by a slow-moving train. Thankfully, he got out before impact. Police reminding us all that, hey, this is not a good thing. You don't want to drive around barricades. Never a good idea. And in some cases, it can be very dangerous, as we saw what happened last night.
Yeah, it can be frustrating to add a few minutes to your drive, but you definitely don't want to wind up hit. That is for sure. All right, Jeff Newmeyer reporting live for us tonight. Jeff, thank you.